In this video, I'm gonna share with you why Artistly AI is better than Midjourney and also Leonardo AI. And here is the reason why. For one-time payment, you get unlimited access to AI tools. For example, you can create bookmarkers and also change background and many others. I'll leave a link in description for you to access this AI tool, and it is a one-time payment, but most people are making a mistake of going for the commercial one instead of the premium. If you want to get the value for your money, go for the premium plan so that you can have access to all tools, and you can check out the link in description to access Artistly AI. Comparing it with Midjourney, Midjourney is so limited. So for example, your annual price will be $1,000 for the mega plan, and for the pro plan is 576. Standard plan is $288, almost double the price of Artistly AI, and you are limited to the number of jobs you can do monthly. But for Artistly AI, you are given premium services and you can create anything you want. For example, when you check out the link in the description, scroll down to this video down here and see how the new dashboard looks like. So for example, let's check out this video and see. So you will come to this video here, and as you can see, this is how the dashboard looks like for Artistly AI 4.0, and they have created a version of fast design and advanced design. So it will be easier for you to create designs by either going for the fast image design or advanced AI image designer. So for fast, they have some tools like AI text in image, AI image design, and also in advanced image designer. So with the advanced feature, you can create more advanced tools and also edit your templates or what you have just generated. So in case you want to get started, I'll recommend Artistly AI, especially with the new version of 4.0. Then this is a game changer. And if you compare it with Leonardo, same case, you are limited because of the tokens. Imagine paying $60 per month and you won't get even half of what you will get with Artistly AI. So with Artistly AI, you are not limited to just images. Let's see what you will get from Artistly AI. So this is what you will get with Artistly AI. One is unlimited AI image creator, so you are not limited. So long as you take the premium option, you are good to go. So you will just enter the prompt. For example, small kitty in a magical chair with rainbow in winter snow color. You can see the image aligns with the prompt, and all this is possible for just a one-time payment. And that's why Artistly AI is going viral right now, because of the one-time payment. And also image redesign, you can redesign any image. This is not available on Leonardo or Midjourney. So this is another tool that is game changer in the AI space when it comes to image generation. So also you can change the background of your image, especially if you are selling products online. Then this is the game changer. Smart image expander. So if you want to expand your image, you can also use Artistly AI to expand it. Instant e-commerce mockup. If you are selling print on demand like t-shirts, then Artistly AI stands out. This is not available in those other AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo. And if you want to get started, I'll leave a link in description for you to access Artistly. So don't worry, just watch this video as I show you more features. For example, automated text editor. You can edit text that is on a picture using Artistly AI, something which is not available in Leonardo. So these are AI tool I will recommend, because for just less than $200, not even 200, less than $150, you will be able to get value for your money. And also you can train AI with your face. So upload a single photo and let Artistly create consistent photorealistic self-portrait profile pictures and images of yourself in various style, outfit and background. You see, this is not available in Midjourney and it's just a one-time payment. AI product mockup creator. You can create effortlessly stunning mockups for your logos or design with just a simple prompt. Showcase your brand or art on products like t-shirts, mugs. So if you are doing print on demand, then this is the best AI tool you can use to create mockups that you will use in your website or even social media platform. AI product photographer. Transform the way you showcase your products. No need for expensive studio or professional photographer. Simply provide a prompt and the AI will create stunning professional create product photos in various scene and background. So you can see this is not available on Midjourney or even Leonardo. Another one is AI style replicator. Bring your creative ideas to life with ease. Upload an image in any style, whether it's a sketch, painting, cartoon, or realistic, and let the AI replicate that style instantly. And you'll just enter the prompt. That's why I'll recommend Artistly AI. I've been using Leonardo, but sometimes what I get is not what I intended to get. But for this, they have improved the back-end algorithms that will help in generating the best images for your end product. So Gits an adult coloring book generator. So you can easily create beautiful engaging coloring pages for Gits in seconds with incredible tools. Simply write a prompt and the generator design unique kid-friendly coloring pages. So if you are creating a book for kids, then I'd recommend you going for Artistly AI. And also remember to go for the premium option so that you can get value for your money. Lastly, we have unlimited AI background remover and editor. All these are available. I cannot go all the features that Artistly AI has. There are many and it's just for a one-time payment. So in case you are in doubt about it, then I'm here to confirm to you that this AI tool is the best right now and it's just for a one-time payment. So if you want to get started with it, you can check out the link in description and you will get access to this AI tool. So in case you have learned something, subscribe to this channel and also like this video so that we can reach out to more people who are interested in Artistly AI.